Tesla ships a new feature to eliminate the worst part of cabin heat. The worst part? I don't want any. Or, I mean, I want cabin heat, but only in the winter. Mm-hmm. It's in a software update.
This might be ideal to you.
Oh, okay. They got rid of the cold air that comes out before the vehicle has sufficiently heated up to deliver heat. Yeah, that's a weird one this winter. You turn it on, it's just pumping cold air.
Yeah, it's like, why? Yeah. I'm just outside again.
Yeah. Pumping cold air. Tesla vehicles consistently improve through software updates. We already know about that. 2023.6.9 software update, several improvements to past features like Apple Music and undocumented changes to the appearance of a tire pressure card. Okay. But now you have a new kind of thing that shows up on the screen that says warming up. Your vehicle will now display warming up, which will sit above the cabin temperature when the vehicle is waiting for the air in the HVAC system to warm up before spitting it out of the vents and freezing you even more. This isn't going to do much to make the thing a fantastic heater in the first place because it's not, and it probably won't be compared to a gas-powered vehicle. I don't know what it is. It's just the thing has a hard time when it gets really cold, which actually, all things considered, it wasn't the coldest winter. It just had some cold days, and I just so happened to be in my Tesla in those days. So I sort of got exposed to it, but this is good. More information is better so the user knows, okay, I don't even want this air coming out right now when they say, hey, we're heating up. Give it a second.
It's good user experience.
Yeah.